Assalamualaikum. In this tutorial I will teach you how to use like operator. If you forget the name of anything, you can write it and search it by any alphabet. If you remember, look, use ability, show tables, select star from event. We will not see the data, we will just see its columns name, describe stuff with describe stuff. So here it is. For example, if I remember that there is an employee whose name is starting with K and I forget its remaining alphabet, so I will write here select star from staff where first name like starting with K and I forget its remaining alphabet, so I will write it. So it's Kashif Basi. So here it is same. If I forget the name and I remember that the second alphabet of name was S H and before H there is only one alphabet, so I will write this dash. Now let's see. So it shows another was Ahmad. If you forget its look wait. If you remember only the middle name of it, so you can write here there was a name whose middle alphabet was S, so I will so it's cautious. So this is the like operator. It is very easy and we probably use to search the name if you forget the alphabets of that. If you like my video, go and subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.